Hi everyone, so today we're going to solve Leetcode problem number 167. To sum two input array is sorted. So in this problem, basically they want to find out the indexes of two numbers which sums up to a specific target. Okay, and they want us to return the results of indexes plus one, like added by one. For example, if the elements index are 0 and 1, we will be returning 1 and 2. Okay. So this is it, and they have already mentioned that the tests are generated such that there is exactly one solution. You may not use the same element twice. That's right. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a two-pointer approach for solving this problem, and it's going to be very simple solution. So let me quickly just change the strings. Okay. So in this, what I'll be doing is I'll keep two pointers start, which will initialize with 0, and end, let's say, which will be the pointer to the last index. So length of numbers minus one. Okay. This part is sorted. Now, what I want to do is I want to run a loop until my start is less than or equal to the end. Okay. I think we can also skip equal because they have already mentioned that you may not use the same element twice. Okay. So we need not the equal operator as well. And next, what we have to do is we have to just check if the elements at both these indexes sums up to a given target or not. So to just to save ourselves from the computation again and again, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna uh, keep a variable to store the number, like the sum numbers of start plus numbers at the end. Okay. Now, what I'll be doing is I'll be checking few conditions, which are if total is greater than the target, then what we will be doing is we will be shifting our end operator to one previous element because we have an sorted array, right? And you can simply just imagine that it's going to be increasing at the goals. For example, in this, in the given example, we have 2, 7, 11, 15, and let's say we were looking for 9. So obviously we will look for we'll start with 2 and 15 ends up to 17. Then we can definitely say that if there is a number, it must be within this range, right? Like we'll have to move our end pointer to minus 1 now. So this is it. End minus equals to 1. Sorry. And similarly, elif total is less than target. Using the same approach, we can say we will have to move our start pointer. Else, what we'll be doing is we will be just simply returning start plus one and end plus one. Correct? Because they wanted to add one into the results, right? Let's see if the test cases, are getting successfully cleared. Yeah. So the test cases got passed. Let's submit for further evaluation. Yeah, so the solution got accepted and it outperformed 67.60% of the solution. Last time, like just before the video, I was using the same and we were at 70. So yeah, close to that. So thanks a ton guys for watching the video and stay tuned for the upcoming. Thank you.